Hello everybody, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So today we're going to learn the topic of balancing chemical equations. It is the topic of class 10th which is given in CRT book chapter 1. So I have given you one question, Fe plus H2O, which giving us a iron oxide and hydrogen means H2, right? So basically in this chemical equation, how to balance a chemical equation we're going to learn today. But in this chemical equation, the equations are not balanced. It is unbalanced. Right? First of all, to balance it, we have to write the elements. Okay? So let's write the element. Then we have to consider one LHS side and one RHS side. That means it is our LHS side and that means it is our RHS side. Got it? So we have considered it. Write LHS and RHS. Okay? This is the basic thing that I have explained to you before doing chemical equation, balancing it. So, the basic thing that I have to balance it, how to balance it? First of all, writing the elements, Fe is one of the element, means iron. Hydrogen is one of the element. Oxygen is one of the element. So, we are seeing that, हम लोग यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं कि जो Fe है यहाँ पर बेटा, only one Fe है, मतलब एक iron है यहाँ पर. Hydrogen is 2, so hydrogen will be 2 here. But what about the oxygen? Oxygen is only 1 here. Got it? So let's move to RHS side. RHS में Fe यहाँ पर कितने हैं? 3. And hydrogen कितने हैं? 2. So that means hydrogen is balanced. That is good. Hydrogen is balanced. Hydrogen तो यहाँ पर balanced है, हमें तो balance करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. But let's see ahead about it. Oxygen देखेंगे, so oxygen is here 4. So oxygen, that means here is 4. It is not balanced, so we have to balance it. So before writing a chemical equation, before balancing it, we have written elements and LHS and RHS to make it very simple, right? So first of all, we will write here that LHS is not equal to the RHS. So we will multiply it from 3. It will become 3, means iron को हमने multiply किया 3 से, तो वो बन गया 3. So यहाँ पर लिखेंगे 3 to balance it. Got it? यहाँ पर RHS में there was only 3 and here was 1. So we have multiplied from 3, not just. Okay, we have multiplied from 3, nothing else. So यहाँ पर हमने 3 रख दिया. Next देखेंगे तो hydrogen is balanced. No worries about that. Now about oxygen is only 1, which is present in LHS, and RHS is 4. So we have to multiply it from 4 to balance it. So now our oxygen will be 4. So where is oxygen? Oxygen is here. It will become 4. Now see children, now you're thinking that our balancing equation is done. But wait about it. अभी हम लोग क्या बोल रहे थे कि हाइड्रोजन बैलेंस्ड है, बट हाइड्रोजन अभी भी बैलेंस नहीं हुआ. वाई? बिकॉज जब हम लोगों ने ऑक्सीजन को मल्टीप्लाई किया 4 से, सो वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग, दैट मीन्स वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग हाइड्रोजन ऑल्सो. जब हम लोग 4 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, सो वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस ऑल्सो, बट ऑल्सो अलॉन्ग विद दैट हाइड्रोजन भी मल्टीप्लाई होता है. ओके, सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई हाइड्रोजन ऑल्सो फ्रॉम 4. नाउ इट इज परफेक्ट बैलेंस, राइट? Means यहाँ पर क्या किया? we have what we have done, that is means it is 4 and that means it is 4. Now this balanced chemical equation is perfect balanced. Got it? Yes. So let me explain you once again. What we have done, we have taken Fe. It was a question, right? H2 is a question with Fe, which is giving us H2 plus H2O. Fe plus H2 is giving us Fe3O4 plus H2, right? Basically it is a reactant side and it is a product side. Got it? So what we have done, we have written elements about FeOHO. Okay, in every question you will write first of all element for to making a chemical equation more simpler as compared to direct doing. Okay, in LHS you will write Fe is there, hydrogen is there, oxygen is there. Got it? So, same as RHS. Got it? So now what we will do, in Fe side we will say that it is 1 and here it is 3, means it is not balanced. So to multiply it, we multiply it from 3, so that means it will become 3. Now it is balanced, perfect. Hydrogen is 2 before it, but it is also 2, so we are saying that it is balanced, but it is not balanced after seeing oxygen. But after seeing oxygen we got to know that it is not balanced. So अगर ये इसके साथ multiply होता है तो ये भी इसके साथ multiply होता है. Okay, it's compulsory to do this. Now it is balanced. It is perfect balance. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, bye bye and take care, everybody. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.